you like something to drink?
I have a Coke.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Not that loud. Oh. I'm so silly.
He's got apple juice in the fridge.
Oh, apple juice.
It's snowing outside in April.
Michigan's got the worst weather ever.
Especially this year.
Especially this year, dude. It's been like hot in the winter and now it's spring and it's snowing. It's crazy.
Sorry we're eating, we're hungry.
We're fat. You know how much I ate yesterday, Stephanie?
How much?
This much. And that scared me.
Me too. What was that?
Something in the sink. The beat drop. Next year, for spring break, Stephanie and I decided we're gonna go on a cruise.
We decided this a long time ago too.
We did, except we just kind of made it official tonight. Not exactly official since we haven't booked it, but we're gonna save our money up and we are going on a cruise.
Yep. Just.
I wanted to go to Florida, you see, but she didn't because she thinks everybody goes there.
Which is
Definitely
not
true.
It's true. Everybody goes to Florida, which we're gonna have to get to the cruise ship.
Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you.
Doesn't this look like pee?
I'm eating.
I don't care if you're eating.
I don't even like macaroni and cheese.
It's not that good. It's like dry. Ugh. This is why I'm hot.
I'm hot because I'm fat.
You ain't cause you not. I know, don't I look stupid when I do that shit?
Yep.
You want a noodle, Casey? I feel retarded.
Why?
No, because I'm sitting like this. Oh, man.
This is a lot of macaroni and cheese.
You are a lot of macaroni and cheese.
I got the moves.
The moves. Remember those noodle commercials? Kraft macaroni and cheese commercials? Well, this is Meyer brand. Weird.
Oh my god, that's really funny.
Meyer brand. Oh, you want the box too, Casey? I thought you didn't burp.
I don't.
These are really lame burps today.
I don't burp.
Even though 5 seconds ago you burped really loud.
Yeah.
I don't want this. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Oh, that was nice. That felt good.
I think you can never beat the one that you did back in 6th grade.
Which one?
The one where Maya was like, Courtney.
She was always like, Courtney.
No, you hit a really good one. I don't think you've ever
6th grade though?
Yeah, you haven't burped like that since.
Dude, that's almost 6 years ago.
Yeah. Oh my god, I feel so old.
I know. Maya at school?
Yeah.
Weird.
Like, it was the end of the day.
Don't talk about it because they don't know what we're talking about.
Well, I was just like, you know.
Okay. You don't know. Oops. I can't go home alone.
Coca-Cola.
She stole that from her cousin's fridge.
I always steal food from her house. She wasn't even home, and I go in her house and steal food.
She's like a robber in the daylight.
Right now,
daylight.
get on the ground, give me your money and hush your mouth. Right now, get on the ground, give me your money and hush your mouth. Your wallet, your keys, get on your knees. Your wallet, your keys, get on your fucking knees. You should hear that song. It's funny.
I don't want to hear that song.
Yeah, you do.
I want you to hear that song.
I heard it.
I ever did much in.
Yes, good.
Oh man. Okay, so upcoming videos you can look forward to. We are doing a spoof. No. Yeah, we're doing commercial spoofs.
Spoofs.
So get excited. Get excited right now.
Give me some jazz fingers. I mean,
Big.
spirit fingers. Okay, that was lame.
Okay, and we're not exactly sure what else, so if you have any suggestions, you know, just press the message button on our MySpace and let us know. Also, we were supposed to do a video with questions, but we lost the questions, so if you would like, you can send some more in.
Who lost the question?
I lost the question.
I didn't. I thought so.
But there was one that I remember from our friend Jess, well, my friend Jess. That's a dare for Stephanie.
Oh man.
So you better get excited.
Oh man, I don't even know what this is.
Yep, and I'm not telling you.
I didn't even know we had questions.
Alright, so we're gonna go and finish our Meyer video, and we hope you enjoy. Yeah, so we'll see ya.
Peace out.
Sayonara.